So let's talk about the quote unquote volatility myth, right? So I get this from clients all the time. And they say, you know what, I've heard about crypto, but it's just way too volatile for me, right? So let's clear that myth right now. And let me get you to better understand what that actually means, right? When you say volatility, right? Volatility is actually your friend, right? Because remember, the first two things, the two purposes of money is number one, you need to get her pregnant, right? You need to get her pregnant. And then number two, you need to get her pregnant faster, right? Now, this is another thing I'm going to educate you on, volatility. Volatility is your friend. Now, watch this. If you want your money to actually grow faster, right? You need to understand this key term. Watch this. Volatility, can't spell today. Volatility is the price you pay. Remember this, guys, for insane. I'm gonna highlight that. Insane price appreciation. Remember, guys, remember this. The point is to multiply your wealth and to do it faster. The key thing is you need to do this thing fast. Now, what is the actual vehicle that's actually going to make our money grow faster? It's called volatility, right? Most people, when they earn money, because of safety and because they just want to be safe, what they do is they put their money, let's say in a 401k, in a Roth. They put it in the stock market or S&P 500 and stuff like that, right? But the problem with that is it's not volatile enough. It's just not volatile enough. You need to move with speed. See, money appreciates speed, right? So remember this. When it comes to making wealth, volatility is the price you pay for insane price appreciation. If you want insane price appreciation, volatility is your friend. You cannot have your money staying dormant. No, you need volatility. Why? Because volatility is what's going to make everything move faster in your favor. Get it? All right.